11 on your screen. We will be having a look at the formation in a while. What has Coach Urjan Shrestha planned? A 4-4-3 formation. Jarrad Sheikh, as always, in pole position. Sabin Khimiri on the left.
Now it's the team list of Bangladesh. Mohammad Asif, the savior, the hero last time out. And the four defenders are Ashadul Shakib, Ahad Tupu, Rajiv Hussain and Rustam Dukumia in the right back position by the coach.
Well, everything said and done. Here we go with the whistle of the final of the SAF Under-20 Championship. The host nation, Nepal versus Bangladesh Under-20. Here we go. The early minutes of the game, both teams, Nepal, as you can see, on full red kit, Bangladesh wearing their white kit. Nepal on the attack, and every attack of Nepal will be a roar from the audience. Loss of possession early in the minutes. It's going to be Ashadul Molla. Ashadul Molla clean through. Can he make a cross? It's early seconds in the game.
Talking about the Bangladeshi supporters, I've been hearing they've been bringing samosas for our crew as well.
And jalebis. So now this can be a chance for Bangladesh. Oh! That was close. That was close. A moment when the Nepali fans had their hearts in their mouth. It was that kind of moment.
Oh, what a tackle. You beauty. What a tackle there by Ashwin Gorasaini.
With so many people in, and that shows the passion of football that lies in the hearts of the Nepalese.
As we knew, the game was supposed to happen in Dashra Stadium.
Long range by Nepal, and what a clearance that was! Mohammad Asif, talk about the attempt and talk about the save. You come, you pay for a final, and this is what you get.
Nirajan Dhami with a long ranger. Oh, how much closer can you get? Mohammad Asif with a Superman save here. That was quite extraordinary.
And suddenly it has started to drizzle a little bit. Just a minute or two ago. Throw in for Bangladesh. Good pressure there by Nepal. Nirajan winning the ball. Good pressure by his teammate. Nirajan going for the low one this time. Once again missing the target. Will only be a goal kick. We thought there was a hand by the goalkeeper. Nirajan saw the opportunity and he took it, only to shoot it wide.
Neeraj winning the ball. Nirajan was the one who was firing again. Moved just above Asif. This could have been dangerous. He could have opted to go for the second bar where the goalkeeper was not so much aiming. The Nepali bench players are in agony.
Progressing in for the attack now. Ball possession have been lost by Anil Bomjon. Well, he has been good at times and he has been confused at times as we see him since he's come on.
Looking for a card there, the number 10, Mirajul. But definitely a foul in Bangladesh's favor. Number 10, Mirajul Islam is one to look at as well. A player to watch for Bangladesh under-20 team. Rustam Dukumia will be taking this free kick. It's quite a short one.
Bangladesh, beautiful 1-2. Can the number 10 put it in? Has been brought down. Number 10, Ram Thapa is not happy. Says he got some foot on the ball. It is a chance right on the stroke of the halftime for this Bangladesh side.
Quite intelligent there by the number 10. He felt the contact and he knew the ball was going out, so he rather went down. That's technically a foul, and that's quite intelligent so there by the number 10. Will this be the game changer for Bangladesh? They have been the underdogs here, but one stroke of luck can change their entire setup here.
Can do it now. Will it be Mirajul Islam? 3 players lining up for the free kick. Mirajul! Oh, what a goal! Mirajul Islam striking the ball on the right side of the post. Bangladesh lead on the the stroke of the halftime. The home team is taken back by surprise. The arena is silenced and the Bangladeshi rejoice. What a free kick by Mirajul Islam.
As they say, it is one from the heavens. The goalkeeper could do nothing. It was the brilliant free kick from the number 10. He created it for himself. He was the one who won the free kick. And look at the joy, the sheer joy of the Bangladeshi players from the bench. This is what Bangladesh is capable of. They're capable of brilliant things here.
That just might be the last attack of the first half. Against the run of play, against all odds, Bangladesh lead here at Nepal's home ground. What a first half this has been. It was Nepal who has been coming close time and again in the first half, but for the efforts, the heroics of Mirajul Islam, Bangladesh lead 1-0. Seems to be an injury with Ashradul Islam Saqib. The number 10 urging his supporters to be louder with the cheers. That is the final whistle for this half. First half has ended and it's Bangladesh who lead the game by 1-0. We have the whole second half to see what will happen. Will Nepal make a comeback or will it be Bangladesh?
The boys in red will be looking forward to score a goal in the second half. They should be red hot as their jersey. Bangladesh should be white and patient and peaceful like their jersey. Now, Nepal and Bangladesh. The second half starts, the real test starts of the SAF Under-20 Championship 2024. Asif with a switch onto the left-hand side. Rabi Hussain collecting the ball. Rabi will measure the width of the mat, of the field here. Rabi. Asadul with a cross here, could be dangerous. Bangladesh take another goal here. The Bengal Tigers roar again. And this time, Nepal might be done and dusted. This is another blow from Bangladesh. And they have been quite brave and they have been quite effective. The Bengal Tigers taking another goal for themselves.
Well, it's once again Mirajul Islam. Talk about the quality of that cross. Was going either way, but Mirajul Islam made sure the ball went into the net. He was onside. And Bangladesh now on a 2-goal cushion in the final of the SAF Under-20 Championship. He gets his second of the game and he is now the leading scorer in this competition. Change the face of the game. Can the substitutes for Nepal do the trick for coach Urjan Shrestha?
And now Mirajul coming forward from the left-hand side. Mirajul with an opportunity here. He's on a hat-trick. Mirajul Islam sets it up for Rabi. Rabi Hussain! Electrifying move there by the Bangladeshi players. And they're the one to get the third goal here. Mirajul Islam, this time the provider. And Rabi Hussain Rahul scores the third goal for Bangladesh. They have been caught in the break, Nepal, and now Bangladesh one step closer to the trophy.
Well, the lone photographer for Bangladesh stands at the other end to take the golden moments, and this might be the last nail in the coffin in this match. Look at that footwork. Was on a hat-trick, but he let his teammate do it. Mohammad Rabi Hussain Rahul making no mistake to tap the ball in. No answer for Jared Sheikh. Just look at how cleanly he took that shot. And he knew from the moment the ball left his foot, it was going in for a goal.
Harish Raj Bhatta, Ram Thapa. Ram with a cross inside the box. There can be an opportunity here. Nepal! And that is the first goal for Nepal. Samir Taba long. Can it be coming for Nepal? That is the question. The mighty Gorkhalis fight back once again. They show their bravery. And it's 10 minutes between them and the equalizer. It's 10 minutes for Nepal to save their campaign here. A yellow card there. There is some confusions.
Replay, and that was a free header. This time around, he did not miss it. A clear eye on the goal, and he was free as well. He took all he can, and the supporters are now jumping, enjoying. Can Nepal come back from it?
Trying to get the ball. A good pace there by the Nepali player, but he was brought down. And the Bangladeshi player goes down. Urjan Shrestha. This is amazing now. Ram Thapa has been yellow carded. But I don't know, Aman. There was a clearance there. We clearly saw that the defender got the ball first, and he might have contacted the defender later. What are your thoughts on this?
Well, it all happened in such a fast pace that we can actually see it in the replay. Going for the ball, he actually got the ball first. That should have never been a foul. He got the ball first. Ram over there.
10 minutes. Abhinav, 10 long minutes.
Oh boy.
Well, can utilize this 10 minutes. It's enough for 2 goals to be scored.
Ram Thapa with the cross inside. That could be dangerous. Oh, the goalkeeper. Asif. Once again is the one. The patient one there.
It's margins. It's margins at the moment for Nepal. The ball, if would have been.
Rohan gets the ball. Combining other 2 forwards. Niraj and Dhami. Opportunity was being given to Samir. A good clearance from the Bangladeshi defender.
Well, they are pushing. Nepal are pushing for the goal. And look at that move. Talk about that move. He was onside, Samir. If not for the defender, Samir could have been clean through on goal. What a performance.
There are very less minutes here. 5 minutes or so. Rabi, oh my God. This guy. Rabi Hussain with the cross. And this time, it's a clearance. Still Nepal going forward. Still Nepal.
It has been given as a goal, Abhinav. It has been given as a goal by the referee. Assistant referee has seen the ball crossing the line. And it's Bangladesh who put the 4th goal in. And now, possibly, just possibly, that's the final nail in the coffin. The pass came from Mohammad Rabi Hussain Rahul. And his teammate made no mistake to finish it. They just scored a 4th goal, but they might have killed the hopes of Nepal.
Okay, let's see. In the replay then. The ball was certainly... I do not think so, Avash. I certainly do not think so. It went inside.
And we can also glance in the stands. The goalkeeper of Bangladesh was injured in the previous game, Mehdi Hassan, and that shot straight into the hands of the keeper. And that is the final whistle. Bangladesh rejoice. What a match we've witnessed today. Bangladesh has clinched their very first SAF Under-20 championship title right here on the Nepali soil, and you can feel the excitement in the air. The young lads from Bangladesh have given it their all, playing with heart, grit and determination. They worked so hard for this moment, and today they made history in front of a passionate crowd. Nepal fought bravely, backed by their home supporters, and left everything on the pitch, but it just wasn't their day. Despite the rearing Nepali fans, Bangladesh kept their composure and delivered a performance that will be remembered for the years to come. Look at the joy As the captain approaches the podium to lift the trophy, you can see the joy and pride on every face. Celebrating the victory in Nepal makes it even sweeter for Bangladesh, making their triumph on foreign soil. This is more than just a trophy, it's a statement. It's about the rise of a new generation in Bangladesh football, a generation that believes, dreams, and now celebrates as champions. This victory will inspire countless young players back home to pick up a football and chase their dream. What an incredible achievement this for Bangladesh. What a final and what way to make history here in Nepal. Ladies and gentlemen, the champions of SAF Under-20 2024 is Bangladesh Under-20 team. What a tournament this.
Certainly a great adventure for these young boys. They were up against Sri Lanka in the first match. They won it. They lost against Nepal in the second match. And it was... We've come to the end of the final of the SAF Under-20 Championship. It's Bangladesh 4 and Nepal 1. Bangladesh, the winners for the very first time. Congratulations to Bangladesh.